Good morning, everyone. Today I'll explain one word problem from the chapter quadratic equation. And which type of problem? The type of problem is speed distance type problem. Okay, speed distance type problem. Firstly, see the question. This is a question from in exercise 4.3, question number 8. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less time. It is the basic thing. If we increase the speed and we have to cover the same distance, then time will be taking less. Okay, and then you have to find the speed of the train. We don't know the speed of the train, that's why we assume the speed of the train be x km per hour. You have to cover the distance from A to B. Distance between A to B is 360 km. Okay, remember it. Distance between A to B is 360 km. Distance between A to B is 360 km. And firstly, the train travel with the speed x km per hour. Firstly, the train cover A to B with x km per hour. Then, second time, train cover the distance at x plus 5 km per hour. Because 5 km train increase their speed is 5 km per hour. It is given in question. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, if the train increase the speed 5 km per hour, then the speed will be x plus 5 km per hour. And we know that the formula speed equal to distance by time. That means if you interchange the position of time and speed, then time equal to distance by speed. When the speed is x km per hour, then the time is distance by speed, 360 by x. 360 is distance, x is speed. That means if the speed is x km per hour, that means time is 360 by x, by the formula this. And if the speed is x plus 5 km per hour, that means if after increasing the speed 5 km per hour, the speed will be x plus 5 km per hour. If the speed is x km per hour, then time taken 360 by x plus 5 km per hour. That is the time taken in first time with the x km per hour speed, and this is the time taken with the x plus 5 km per hour speed. And in question it is said it would have taken 1 hour less time. If speed is more, then it takes 1 hour less time. That means this time minus this time is 1 hour. This time minus this time is 1 hour. Now you have to do the simplification. How to do simplification? Do LCM x into x plus 5, x into x plus 5. Now 360 into x plus 5 minus 360 into x. Now 360 into x, 360x plus 360 into 5 minus 360 into x divided by x into x plus 5 as it is equal to 1. Do cross multiplication. X into x plus 5 into 1, x into x plus 5 equal to this 360x cancel out because it is minus sign, this is plus sign, and the remaining is 360 into 5, that means 1800. After doing cross multiplication, this into 1 is this only, this into this means 1800 into 1 is 1800. Now convert this term in the left side, that means x into x, x square, plus 5 into x, 5x, 1800 converted to left side, it become minus 1800. Okay, then come to the next page. You have to do the midterm factorization of this quadratic equation. Okay, come to the next page. X square and 1800, you have to factorize 1800. If you factorize 1800 by 2 900, by 2 450, by 2 225, by 5 45, by 5 9, by 3 3. Using the factor you have to find 5. Okay, that means firstly 5 into 3 15, 15 into 3 45, and 5 into 2 10, 10 into 2 20, 20 into 2 40. 45 minus 40, 45 minus 40 is 5. That's why in place of 5 write 45 minus 40. Therefore x square plus 45 minus 40x minus 1800 equal to 0. Now x square plus 45 into x, 45x minus 40x minus 1800 equal to 0. Okay, next take common x from here. If you take common x, that means x plus 45 minus, if you take common 40, x plus 45, because if you bracket is there, minus converted to plus. because we're taking common minus. Now x plus 45 common, remaining is x minus 40 equal to 0. Therefore x plus 45 equal to 0 and x minus 40 equal to 0. From here x equal to minus 45, from here x equal to 40, and the speed cannot be negative. Speed cannot be negative, that means it is not possible, therefore it is the possible value, x equal to 40. Therefore the speed of the train is 40 km per hour. Okay, and a question number 10 is exactly same type, only number was different. Okay, please do as a homework. Thank you everyone.